If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively.
Stop right there. Most people think herbal tea is just a soothing cup of hot water and roots. They are fundamentally wrong. What you're about to see is the forensic truth behind 3 kitchen staples that have been mislabeled and misunderstood for decades: ginger, clove, and cinnamon. In the world of holistic wellness, there's a hidden threshold where healing turns to toxicity. If you don't know the math, you're playing with fire. I'm your daily health habit adjuster. Today, we're deconstructing the holy trinity of spices for health and beauty improvement in a way you've never heard before. Welcome to a deep dive investigation. We aren't here for the marketing fluff. We're here for the forensic data of holistic wellness. For centuries, these spices were literally worth more than gold, not just for their flavor, but for their incredible bioactive power. Empires were built and destroyed over the access to these roots and barks. They knew something we've collectively forgotten. Ancient healers used them for everything from preservation to acute pain relief. But the modern industry has hidden the data on how they actually work. There is a massive data gap between what the supplements tell you and what the chemical reality actually dictates. We've forgotten the chemistry. We've forgotten the specific risks associated with long-term high-dose ingestion. Today we bring that archived data back to the light. We are going to examine the Holy Trinity through a forensic lens. Using botanical forensic analysis, we will reveal the secret alchemy hidden inside your kitchen spice rack. Ginger, clove, and cinnamon aren't just additives or garnishes. They are high-potency bioactive agents. Gingerol, eugenol, and cinnamaldehyde. These are the chemicals running the show behind the scenes of your wellness journey. These compounds aren't just nutrients. They are signals. They tell your cells how to behave and how to process energy. When combined in the correct ratios, they create a synergistic effect on your metabolism and systemic inflammation markers. But here is the truth they don't want you to know. Natural doesn't mean safe. In forensic terms, it means potent. And potency requires extreme precision. One extra clove isn't a benefit, it's a burden on your liver. Benefit 1. The metabolic fire. This tea acts as a powerful thermogenic accelerator for fitness enthusiasts. Benefit 2. Collagen preservation. The antioxidants in cloves fight the glycation that literally breaks down your skin. Glycation is the primary driver of premature aging. We're using cloves to stop that biochemical attack in its tracks. Benefit 3. Glycemic control. Cinnamon actually mimics insulin, stabilizing your blood sugar and ending energy crashes. By increasing insulin sensitivity, we're making your body a more efficient fat-burning machine throughout the day. Benefit 4. Digestive bioavailability. Ginger acts as the key, increasing the absorption of the other spices by up to 200%. Ginger also improves vascular flow, ensuring these beauty-enhancing compounds actually reach your skin and hair follicles. Benefit 5. Systemic anti-inflammation.
Sometimes there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
In forensic biology, this is the holy grail for rapid recovery and longevity. Lowering systemic inflammation also lowers neurological stress. It's a feedback loop for holistic wellness. Benefit 6. Stress modulation. The aromatic compounds alone lower cortisol levels in your bloodstream within minutes. You don't even have to drink the tea to start feeling the benefits. The olfactory impact is a shortcut to relaxation. Now, let's look at the forensic reality they hide. Warning 1. Eugenol overload. This is critical. Too much clove crosses the toxicity threshold. It leads to acute liver stress. Never, under any circumstances, exceed 3 cloves per cup. Warning 2. Blood thinning. Ginger and clove are powerful natural anticoagulants. This is often ignored in health circles. If you have a surgery scheduled, you must cease ingestion at least 14 days prior. The industry rarely mentions this. If you're on any prescription medication, this innocent tea could be dangerous. Professional consultation is non-negotiable. Warning 3. Coumarin content. Most store-bought cinnamon is actually cassia, not true Ceylon. There's a big difference. High levels of coumarin in cassia are toxic to the liver. Always source true Ceylon cinnamon for your tea. Ready for the secret hack? Bioavailability. You must add exactly 1 small pinch of fresh black pepper. The piperine in pepper is the key. It prevents the liver from flushing out the spice compounds before they can do their work. This increases the effectiveness of your beauty and health tea by over 10 times. It's the detail almost everyone misses. Most influencers will tell you the recipe, but they miss this chemical catalyst. Without it, you're wasting 90% of your ingredients. The supplement industry wants you to buy expensive pills instead of making this at home. Have you asked yourself why? Because you can't patent a ginger root or a clove. There's no massive profit margin in your spice rack. They won't tell you that a 50-cent cup of tea is more potent than a $50 pill bottle. That's a debate they don't want to have. They also stay silent about the toxicity thresholds because highlighting risks doesn't sell health products. We do things differently. At Daily Health Habit Adjuster, we choose the hard truth over easy marketing. We follow the forensic data. Let's build the forensic recipe correctly. Start with exactly 500 milliliters of filtered water, no tap water. Tap water contains chlorine and fluoride that can interfere with the delicate bioactive compounds of the spices. Purity is paramount. Add 2 inches of fresh sliced ginger. Do not peel it. The skin holds the key microbial environment we need. Add exactly 2 whole cloves and 1 stick of authentic Ceylon cinnamon. Remember the threshold, only 2 cloves. Now add that tiny pinch of black pepper. This is your metabolic catalyst. Don't skip it. Simmer for exactly 10 minutes on medium heat. Any longer and the bitter tannins will release, destroying the nutrient profile. Tannins don't just taste bitter. They can actually block the absorption of the very nutrients we're trying to extract. Timing is everything. Strain and serve. No honey, no dairy. We want the pure metabolic and beauty impact without any inflammatory interference. Remember, holistic wellness isn't a hobby or a trend. It's a series of adjusted daily habits. This is a strategy. When you respect the chemistry of nature, nature begins to respect your body. You'll see it in your energy and your skin. Apply this strategy daily. Consistency is the only way to achieve real health and beauty improvement. We're playing the long game here. No shortcuts. Just forensic evidence and disciplined habits. To recap the Holy Trinity: power, precision, and the hidden threshold. Use Ceylon, add pepper, and respect the 10-minute limit. Join the adjuster movement. Subscribe for more forensic health truths that they won't tell you. Choose hard, live easy.
Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As Daily Health Habit Adjuster, make it simple as
your wish is my command.